Okay, so okay, so this is my channel. It's my first video, guys. Kyla is the the cameraman. I'm at this thing currently. I don't know what it is. It shows you on the thing. Stand facing unit, place one hand on each grip, turn wheel until one hand grip is directly above the other, then reverse direction.
I think the way that you were doing it was better. Ah! That was my fault.
Like this?
This looks like a saw trap. Also, you ran over a bunch of rocks. I'm surprised you didn't fall and trip.
No, I'm just so good about it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going this way because I don't want to go that way that Kyla was going.
Okay, sorry.
This shoe sucks.
Whatever. We look like we're in like a movie. We look like real Florida jets.
They're not gonna see me, right?
I don't think so. Whoa.
I'm so cool.
Are you gonna climb it?
I can't. The things are too little.
Oh,
They made it to where I can't climb. I have a wedgie.
okay.
So look like that.
Whoa. 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 Lifting 4 weights.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
And it's for people who like have wheelchairs.
Guys, I don't care about the environment.
Whoa, problematic.
Just kidding. I love nature. Let's go on a nature hike.
Okay, the nature hike is over there.
Emos on a nature hike is crazy.
Yeah. It takes you? I'm like faster than my own foot. Fudge! Sorry, my camera skills aren't good because I fell.
Never skate.
Whoa. Whoa.
A tribute to Gold Star families whose loved one paid the ultimate price defending.
Oh, this is where we're from. Whoa.
Or farming right here.
Make edits.
You might want to move.
Whoa, cool. More exercise?
You guys don't exercise like I do.
Okay. There's like this little bridge over here that we're gonna go to. Ah!
Vandalism.
Hold on, my like charger's like, I have like a disposable charger. And it's like dying. This is the most uncomfortable way you could ever hold a camera. Oh look, there's like a nice concrete slab right here. Watch there be a ginormous pebble when we eat shit.
You eat shit, man. Oh my gosh, you should take some flicks of me.
Like those emo pictures back in the day where they're like on train tracks and stuff. I got you some. No. Can we even ride on here? Look, it makes a cool sound. Wow.
That's aesthetically pleasing to me.
Now we're back to the stupid little, there's a sidewalk down there, I think. No, there's not. I'm a liar. We should go find more sidewalk.
Wait, I want to go down there.
Okay.
What's down there anyway?
I don't know.
Hey guys.
Del Taco.
I work at Del Taco. Del Taco sponsored me. I don't actually work there. This is my sister's old uniform.
Oh,
You like my drip?
yeah. I ain't gonna cry too long. I'm back on my drip. Whoa, it's the spooky tree. I wonder if old people just think that we're assholes.
You think we are?
Yeah. Why can't... Those are probably poisonous. There might be a spider web in my hair. There's another bridge.
I don't care how long my video is, I'll edit it.
It's 5 minutes right now.
Okay, that's not bad. It smells like cat pee.
Ew.
Why are they all the same thing? Oh, it's a wheelchair person thing.
We should probably go to where there's more sidewalk. Come on. Okay, whatever. It was like, I thought that this was like sidewalk.
Is there a beach down here or something?
I don't know. There's like a bunch of bridges though, so maybe.
I'm gonna get married here. Just kidding, I'm not. This is a terrible place to get married.
Wait, where is everybody gonna sit? Where am I gonna sit?
On my lap?
Okay.
What if a bear just comes out of here and attacks? Night
I
in
would've
the
left
forest? Oh my gosh, it's almost nighttime.
Oh, ookie spooky.
Insert overlay of 99 Nights in the Forest. Deer running past. Come real
Wow,
quick.
guys. The 99 Nights in the Forest deer is here. Ah! Whoa! Holy cool.
Machine Gun Kelly, if you actually had a machine gun.
Stop, you can't do that.
Why? What?
Oh my god, you're deaf, aren't you?
You didn't say anything!
Have you seen those things that like people are posting to where it's like, she get highway because I have pretty face and her body is tea. We've been walking for ages.
What is this?
Gianna's depriving me of food and water. Okay. Insert Mitski. I am hungry. What if we... What if we get lost like Hansel and Gretel?
I got lost.
Yeah.
Oh.
And they had those like stupid little breadcrumbs. You'd probably eat all of our breadcrumbs.
I would.